Let's see. Oh my gosh. I love it. This is such a nice pair whelp. Perfect condition. Two cones right next to each other. A beautiful little Florida cone. And this kind of beat up alphabet cone. It looks like he went through a lot and he rebuilt. But he didn't make it. Look at this giant apple murex. So big. I'm going to keep this for a giveaway. A lot of stuff washing up right here. We got this nice leathered olive. One of my good friends likes these, so I'll have to get her one. Nice Florida fighting cock. Rock snail. Baby lightning whelk. Another rock snail. Banded tulip. I see some nice calico scallops under here. Tinted canthus with some good colors. A little periwinkle. Some more nice leathered olives. This is a big one. Lightning whelk. An albino pair whelk down here. Very cute. I see some bubble shells. You guys tell me what this larva is. I always see these in shells. It creeps me out. Just like moving around like a million in a little circle. Let's see what else we got around here. Another beautiful pair whelk. Wow, this was really nice. Ooh, I don't lose them. Oh, it's perfect. I thought I had a hole, but it's perfect.